Welcome to your tutor portal. Welcome to Apex Academic Center. Congratulations on becoming part of our tutoring team. In this training, I'll guide you through your tutor dashboard. By the end of this video, you'll know how to navigate your dashboard, manage classes, and support your students effectively. Let's get started. The dashboard is your homepage. This gives you a quick overview of your tutoring activity and performance at a glance. At the top, you'll see a welcome message with your name. Below that is your performance summary. The bookings page shows all tutoring requests. Remember, online and in-person tutoring have separate dashboards, so switch between them depending on the booking you've accepted. Always review booking details carefully before the lesson. The My Classes page contains every lesson assigned to you. From here, you can start your lesson, complete attendance, record notes, and mark lessons as completed. Make sure every lesson is marked correctly once it finishes. Homework allows you to support students outside the lesson. Here you can upload assignments, assign practice questions, and provide worksheets. Students can access everything from their own dashboard. The resources section contains past papers and study guides to improve lesson quality. In the Students section, you can view profiles and lesson history to personalize every lesson for your students. Lesson recordings help review quality and resolve disputes. Every lesson should remain professional as recordings may be reviewed. The Reviews page displays feedback from students and parents. Constructive feedback helps you maintain an excellent rating. Messages are your communication center. Always keep communication professional, respond promptly, and keep all talks within the Apex platform whenever possible. Check announcements regularly for important company updates. If you experience technical problems or have booking questions, visit the support section and report problems as soon as possible. Finally, click your profile icon to update your photo, qualifications, and availability. Always keep your availability up to date, as parents can only book you during the times you've made available. To succeed, log in daily, keep availability updated, prepare well, and deliver engaging, high-quality lessons. We're excited to have you as part of the Apex Academic Center family. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please use the support section. We wish you every success. For more information, call us at 01-1354-0198 or email tutors@apexacademiccentre.co.za.